Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious cowboy baked beans. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by setting our pan over medium-high heat. Once it's nice and hot, we're going to add 10 pieces of bacon. Make sure to chop it into small pieces. And now we're just going to cook it through. Okay, once our bacon is nice and crispy, we're going to remove it from the pan along with most of its grease. Now to our pan, we're going to add our 1 medium onion along with our bell pepper and jalapeno. And we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add 1 pound of ground beef. And just season it with your favorite barbecue seasoning. Break it down and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes or until it's fully cooked. And once our meat is cooked, now we can get ready to put our cowboy beans together. Okay, to our baking dish, we're going to add 5 cups of cooked beans. Going to add our cooked meat. Add the cooked bacon. 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Half a cup of ketchup. Half a cup of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce along with 1 tablespoon of Maggi sauce, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so once we mix it all together, just going to cover it with foil. Now we're going to place it in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to remove the foil from our baking dish. And we're going to stick it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Okay, and after 20 minutes, our delicious cowboy beans are done. So we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super easy to make. It's so flavorful, so delicious. Of course, if you like your baked beans to be a little bit more sweeter or spicier, you can always adjust that. But let me tell you that this right here, it's seriously the best. Perfect for your family gatherings, for your next barbecue. Hope you give them a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious cowboy baked beans. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.